everyone, welcome to Ara the Design Gallery, a newly opened gallery at Vastrapur Lake. They are hosting a beautiful exhibition for 2 days, and before all the other details, let me introduce you to ma'am. So yes ma'am.
Hi, this is Riddhi Agrawat. I am Chief of Group Operations for Amar and Ara the Design Gallery. We would love your support. I heartily invite all of you to our gallery on 29th and 30th of November. That is this Saturday and Sunday. Thank you.
And if you want to check out the collection, don't forget to swipe left. This is brand Siva Silver and let me show you their beautiful collection. So they have everything 9 to 5 silver. आपको cocktail rings से लेके मंगलसूत्र options, यहाँ पे bracelets हैं. They have lovely chains. अगर आपको heavy में कुछ options चाहिए वो भी हैं. Bracelets हैं, anklets हैं, rings के options हैं. If you want dainty neck pieces, they have options here as well. From cocktail rings to simple rings के भी options हैं. And now they have apparels also. So yes ma'am.
This is in cape.
Okay.
This is in kaftan.
Okay.
The one which I am wearing.
Okay, all right.
We have in Malchanderi as well.
All right, they have in Malchanderi also. Beautiful
Like
three-piece
this as
suit
well.
set options. Okay, all right. Yes. You will find color options, designs, patterns. आपको सब में मिल जाएंगे. So beautiful options. Do check them out.
Yeah,
Hello.
hi, this is Dipali from brand Dijo. Today I am one of wearing of my collection.
Lovely. Look at
Today we have
that.
some dresses for cocktail party,
Okay, cocktail party dresses.
for Sangeet.
Something for Sangeet, and they have beautiful collection. Especially XL size भी उनके पास available है.
You can wear in haldi function.
Okay, lovely. Very smart, very
We have
beautiful.
anarkalis.
They have anarkalis also.
We are specialized into customization.
Okay, they are into customization also.
Yeah, we have some dresses for Mandy.
Okay, all right.
Also we have denim blouses.
They have denim blouses. काफी अलग and beautiful concept है ये. Very very smart options. All
You can
right.
wear as a crop top also.
Right. Okay.
We have sarees.
They have sarees के भी options. Very pretty. Lovely. This is brand Label Aika. Hello.
Hi.
Yes. So ma'am has brought beautiful options
Haldi
in
function.
various functions के लिए. अगर festive के लिए आपको कुछ भी चाहिए,
Hand work.
हैंडवर्क में options हैं उनके पास. Something very very
Plazo
unique.
set.
प्लाजो सेट है. फिर ये जो सारे आप देख रहे हैं ये प्योर में मटेरियल्स हैं. different different materials and different different options. They also have something very unique in this one-off shoulder dress. This is also unstitched. Very pretty.
Hi, so we are from Ekatva Jewels.
So they have beautiful options in earrings, some statement cocktail rings के options हैं if you want something in delicate. If you like something like this पूरा pendant set options, they have lovely bracelets के भी options. Something in long chains, delicate version है. अगर आपको थोड़ा statement piece चाहिए तो वो available है. Then because wedding season is very very near, they have beautiful options in jartar. So you can gift these, you can wear these for yourself also. This is brand Bianca and they are here with their cute, adorable kids wear. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, please tell us.
This is from 6 months
Mm-hmm.
with dupatta sharara set.
Okay.
Very nice. This is angrakha and lehenga pattern.
Okay.
I have multiple colors in this.
All right.
This one is in muslin.
Okay.
It is for the function wear.
Right.
And it has a nice beautiful gota dupatta detailing
Okay.
with this.
Lovely.
This is also a very nice color and a very different bottom.
Okay.
It goes like this.
Lovely.
It's like it goes into plazo pattern also.
Okay.
This is a lehenga pattern.
Okay.
Beautifully curated.
Mm-hmm.
Nice design.
Lovely.
This is for your haldi mehndi function. And this one goes with plazo.
Okay. And
This
let's
Punjabi
also
cut.
check out boys collection.
These are with kurta pajamas.
Okay.
And we have good jacket sets for the boys.
Okay.
And the best part is that in Jodhpuri we have from 4 months.
Hi. So this is something we have. We have 4 colors, all
Okay.
muted in this.
And this is brand Sari Sisters.
Yes. We have
Lovely.
something like this in chiffon and we love tissue silk. We have introduced mushroom silk. This is on pure mushroom silk.
Okay.
And we have this really beautiful lilac color in this.
Lovely.
And then this Banarsi heavy.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I can vouch for them. Saris for all age group are
Yeah.
available here.
All age group and all colors. You can see very pretty and easily manageable.
Lovely.
So do come and visit us. Just check out. It's in all ranges as well.
Lovely.
Yeah. So do visit us.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, hi
Yes.
everyone. My brand name is Virsa Ethnic. My collection is all types of Lucknowi kurtis,
Okay, all types of Lucknowi kurtis.
Lucknowi kurtis, Afghani pant set,
Okay.
tissue sets,
Okay.
Malchanderi material,
मलचंदेरी मटेरियल्स में ऑप्शंस हैं उनके
short
पास।
kurtis,
शॉर्ट कुर्तीज हैं। लवली ओम्ब्रे इफेक्ट में भी कुछ है उनके पास।
Angrakha styles kurtis,
अंगरखा स्टाइल कुर्तीज,
pure georgette.
प्योर जॉर्जेट। लवली।
Hi, good morning. This is Jay from Shade and Style. We have specialized in cord sets.
Okay.
Did we miss something last time? 900 cord sets start हो रहा है.
राइट।
Something in denim.
Okay. So they have a variety of cord sets. Lovely. बहुत सारे options हैं in different styles, colors, patterns. Something in spaghetti also. Lovely. Just
Gaji
look at
silk.
that. Gaji silk में options हैं.
Hello everyone, welcome to Nanki's The House of Fashion, my
Okay.
brand name. So you will get some semi party wear collection on
Okay.
Nanki's House of Fashion.
All right.
Like this in pure chinon, muslin.
Okay.
This is for chinon with gaji silk dupatta.
Okay.
This is like pure chinon and some Indo-Western style.
Beautiful.
So this is also one of the designer with the designer dupatta. pure
Very
fabric.
pretty.
And some anarkali A-line pattern.
Lovely. Okay. So this is brand Mirvanis and this is their new collection. They have beautiful options in anti-tarnish jewelry pura. If you want something in these Hasli styles, bracelets हैं, kada options हैं. They have very interesting jewelry. This is beautiful collection pura उनके पास earrings का. They have something like this in earrings that are very different, very unique. They also have this. Hello.
Hi, I'm Saloni. My brand name is Chicken Charm Jewelry.
Okay.
I have anti-tarnish jewelry, जिसमें
Okay.
आपको anti-tarnish में ये set मिल जाएंगे
Okay.
and कड़ा.
They have beautiful options in these dainty, beautiful looking jewelry. ये पूरा rings का option है. They have some lovely options in neck pieces, very pretty bracelets. Look at that, lovely. Some beautiful options in statement bracelets also. Stone neck pieces में भी बहुत सुंदर options हैं. Earrings में भी बहुत सुंदर options हैं उनके पास. Look at these. They have phone charms के भी बहुत pretty and cute options. And these cute bags. Love.
हमारे पास आपको ऐसे bags भी मिल जाएंगे जिसमें
Okay.
आपको इस टाइप में office bags
Sling bags are also available. Okay.
and this.
Okay. Lovely from and smart options as well.
Hi, the name of our brand is Nazar Batu and we have got some wedding collection,
Okay.
some reception and cocktail fit.
Right.
We have got some ombre skirt and crop top.
Okay.
We've got something in drape skirt,
Lovely.
some reversible kaftans,
Reversible kaftans.
something for haldi, mehndi, carnival.
Okay.
cake sets. Then we have something in tissue.
Okay.
We have something in pure bandhani.
Very pretty.
We have something for baithak,
Okay.
casuals,
Lovely.
and everyday wear.
Very pretty. They also have this very beautiful jewelry brand here. Yes.
So all of this jewelry is anti-tarnish and gold plated. These are some
Okay.
cartilage earrings.
Okay. Very
We have
interesting.
some ear stacks. We have got tennis bracelet,
Lovely.
solid kadas, some
Lovely.
statement earrings, and we